In this video, I'll show you how to change email on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if for any reasons you love to change your email here on Instagram, for any reasons, just click on this small right, click on the settings, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, click on this personal details, right? So yeah, it's gonna load up right now. Okay, so this is the view we're gonna get. This is a profile, connected experiences, password, security, personal details. So just click on this personal details right here, and right now you can see if you want to change the email right now, just click on this contact info, right? If you click on it, you can delete this, right? And you can add a new one. So this is basically how you can change email here on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, share it us below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.